Hello everyone, welcome back to Ingrid Joy Aromas. My name is Ingrid. Today we're gonna be using melt and pour soap. So today I have some leftovers that I had before. So what happened is that I used some coffee on top of these ones. So today I'm gonna be reusing these turmeric soap, and I'm gonna show you how you can reuse your soap and turn it into a beautiful soap. So let's go ahead and chop these up. I start already. You need to cut that. If you're gonna need a microwave, a pouring cup, a spatula. You're gonna need your essential oil, your cutting board, of course. You're gonna need your turmeric because you need to put turmeric in there if you need to, and as you can see right here, it is some coffee that's in there. So I'm still gonna throw it in there because you know what, it's not like I'm giving it to anyone. This is my home use, and I just want to show you how you can turn it into something beautiful. Also, I'm gonna need to add some more turmeric into this. I go ahead already and I add some in there, but I forget to turn my camera on. So I'm gonna need about 12 drops in here, and I know it's 12 drops already because I measure it from the dropper already. So give it a good stir, about 2 minutes. Stir it in. Usually that's what it is. As you can see here, I have no bubbles, but if you actually get some bubbles, just go ahead and use a spray bottle with some rubbing alcohol and give it a good spray down. So let's pour these out. Let's see how much we get from it. And we want to pour it out. We want to fill up all the way to the top. As you can see, these they start forming already, so anything you're doing like pouring more, you have to do it fast. So we have some leftover here, and I can see a lot of turmeric on the bottom of this one, even though I give it a good stir, but it is fine. So while waiting for these to be setting, I am taking the time to cut some melt and pour. So what's happening is that I mold these before and not using them, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these up. Cutting these melt and pour, guys, feel so relaxing. I can cut these all day long, just all day long. I need a job in cutting soaps because it just feels so nice. It just feels so relaxing. Can you imagine just me just cutting it right now? That's how relaxing it is. It's just soft, and I mean, even if you have a dull knife, it wouldn't be a problem whatsoever. So right now, because this turmeric soap is setting, I just take time to cut these, and you can follow along I'm gonna be throwing up some information for you, so you can see how to make your soap, and it is just so easy. So while using pour melt soap, guys, it is just oils in the soap and glycerin. And also, if you want to know what's in these soaps, let me know, because I don't make these soaps. I buy them like how it is, and I shape them the way I want, and I add whatever I want. When making soap, you use something called lye, and lye is very, very dangerous. You cannot have lye around children. Whenever using lye, you have to use long gloves. You have to actually put goggles on, because it is so dangerous for the skin. And guess what, guys? You're putting it in soap. So the soap that you're using, they all contain lye. And you can go ahead and research lye, or if you need some information on lye, you let me know, and I can actually give you some more information on that. So the best soap I think to use, especially in your face, guys, it's these soaps here. They are very gentle on your skin. The thing is, with the other bar soap that you will be use and give yourself a good lather. These they have sud. They make good bubbles, but not as much as the regular soap that people use. So I will never tell anyone that I love to go use bar soap that's sell in the store. That's why they're so cheaper. The bar soap in the store, you will buy one bar soap for probably say $6 or $7, depends. And even if you go to the dollar store, it will be much cheaper as well. But also, it's cheap to make, so that's why they sell it cheaper. But if you have to have a 1 pound of melt and pour soap, it's gonna cost you around $12 for the 1 pound. It is heavy, so the tub is very small. So this is why these melt and pour are expensive. And I mean, you can't put a price on your health whatsoever, because whatever in those soaps anyways, getting straight in your body, guys. Anything that you use on your skin, it absorbs straight to your bloodstream. So here I am ready right now to unmold these turmeric soap. So let's get started. And I'm also going to unmold the coffee scrub that I had before. As you can see, the coffee scrub is not looking very pretty, but it's fine. It's just samples. But when they're coming out, I'm pretty sure they're gonna look fantastic. So as you can see here, it's very smooth. So it's not much to do. There's nothing really to do, like, cutting off anything, or say take a knife and have to cut something because it's rough or anything like that. This mold that I use here is very, very nice, and it also have a pattern on the bottom. I don't know if you can see the pattern on this side, but this side, yes, I think you would be able to see. I don't know if you can see the pattern, but as you can see, this mold, there is nothing really to cut or anything like that. It's just smooth from corner to corner. So these are the soap. You can see how pretty they are. These are the soap that I had before, and you see me cutting in the beginning of this video. So if you've never seen the beginning of the video, go back and watch the beginning of the video. And this is just the leftover that I have, and you can see how it's molded beautifully. So let's go ahead and mold these small little sample of coffee scrub, and you can see it's good size. This one is a very good size. This one is very small comparing to this one. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Keep watching, and I will show you the rest of these coffee scrub that I'm molding, and you're gonna see how some is smaller than some. Please watch to the end, and please take care of yourself and also your skin, guys. It's very important to take care of your skin. So I hope you've been enjoying this video. As you can see, these little samples are turning out really nice, and then these turmeric soap are beautiful as well. As you can see, the bottom of it, it's beautiful pattern there. So I want everyone to take care until I see you in the next video. Bye for now.